Hello everyone, this is Teacher Mayumi and welcome to the video discussion of our subject Discrete Structures 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Without further ado, let's get started. Our first lesson will be about set notation and relations. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define sets, operations on sets, and state important set properties. Please be with me and together we will discover the world of sets. What is a set? The term set is usually defined as a collection of objects that are called elements. In short, it is a collection. As you can see, meron tayo ditong collection of items that you wear. A hat, shirt, and a jacket. This one is known as a set. Another example, we have types of fingers. This set includes index, middle, ring, and pinky. This one is also considered as a set. Last, we have a collection of numbers. We have set which includes elements 1, 3, 5, and set B which contains elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Basically, it's just things grouped together with a certain property in common. So, kapag set, it is basically things that are grouped together with a certain property in common. At this point, we will learn the notation for sets. At ang every element ng ating set ay separated siya ng comma, and set must include a curly bracket around the elements. Hindi natin siya makakonsider na set kung wala siyang brackets. The numbers are the elements, and the three dots, which is also called ellipsis, means continue on or infinity or goes on forever. Naming or describing a set is very important, and we usually use capital letters or symbols. For example, we have symbol P for set of positive integers, letter N for set of natural numbers, letter Z for the integers, Q for rational numbers, R for real numbers, and C for complex numbers. Be familiarized with the following symbols, especially the P, which stands for positive integers. Instead of writing down set of 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, we will use symbol P to make it short. So, dapat maging familiar tayo sa positive numbers or sa symbol na P kasi yun yung gagamitin natin throughout the discussion or throughout sa lesson na pag-aaralan natin. A set is a collection of things, usually numbers, right? But we can also build a set by describing what is in it, and that is called a set builder notation. So we have an example here. It says that the set of all x such that yung vertical line is read as such that x is greater than 0. So x here is a placeholder, so you can change this into other letters like A, B, C, depende sa inyo. And then, next example we have, it is read as the set of all fractions such that A and B are integers and B is not equal to 0. So here we have the set of all k that are a member of integers or elements of integers. Kasi yung z, diba natin kanina, is symbol siya for integers, such that k is greater than 5. So, in other words, all integers greater than 5. So, ganun lang yun. So, it can also be written as 6, 7, 8, so on and so forth. So, ang main purpose ng ating notation is to assist us para mas maintindihan pa natin ang tinatawag nating set. The first set is an infinite set. Why? Because it has an ellipsis, which means goes on forever. So, yung first set natin is socks, shoes, watches, shirts, and followed by 3 dots, which is understood na infinite set siya, or continue, or walang katapusan yung ating set. And the second one, we have index, middle, ring, pinky. So, we call this as a finite set. So, finite set kasi meron siyang fixed number of elements. So, dito, we have 4 elements siya. So, in this example, the set of letters, we have set of letters A, B, C, and then sa middle, we have 3 dots or ellipses, and then X, Y, Z. So, this one is, although meron siya ditong ellipsis, so this one is considered as a finite set kasi yung gamit ng ellipsis dito is used to describe or used to save writing long list. So instead of isusulat pa natin yung A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, U, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, di ba ang haba nun? So, instead of writing that, to make it short, so, maglalagay tayo dito ng ellipsis sa gitna. So, but then, kung yung ellipsis natin is nasa dulo, like this, so, this one is considered as continuous on or forever. So, yun yung tinatawag nating infinite set. Kapag dito naman sa gitna, this one is considered as finite set. Cardinality is simply the number of elements in a set. Example, we have set A, which consists of element 5. So, basically, yung cardinality will be 1 kasi yung set natin is composed of only one element, 5, which is 5. So, sa B, we have 2 cardinality kasi meron siyang 2 elements. Ganun din sa C, it has 3 elements, D, 4, tsaka E, 5. So, all we have to do is to count the elements para makuha yung cardinality ng isang set. When we define a set, if we take pieces of that set, we can form what is called a subset. Sa example natin, we have set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yung subset niya will be 1, 2, 3. And then another subset is 3, 4, or even another is 1, or another set is 4, 5, another set is 1, 2, but one set of 1 and 6 is not a subset since it has an element 6 which is not in the parent set. So, this one is not considered as a subset kasi nga, yung 6 natin is di natin siya makikita dito sa original na set. So, kasi wala naman ditong 6. So, this one is not considered as a subset. So, A is a subset of B if and only if every element of A is in B. So, magiging subset lang siya kung yung numbers na makikita natin sa isang set. So, for example, yung numbers na makikita natin sa set A ay nandun din sa set B. So, that will be considered as a subset. We have another example here. Is A a subset of B where set A has an element of 1, 3, 4 and set B contains an element of 1, 4, 3, 2. So, it is a yes or a no. So, first, 1 is in A and 1 is in B as well. So far, so good. Then, second, 3 is in A and 3 is in B. So, correct. 4 is in A and 4 is in B. That's all the elements of A, and every single one is in B, right? So, yes, A is a subset. A is a subset of B. So, ganun lang siya. Kung if the element of A is makikita dito sa element ng B, so that is a subset of, yes, A is a subset of B. Based on our example, we have set A, which contains an element of 1, 2, 3, and it has a proper subset of 1, 2, 3, 4 because the element 4 is not in the first set. So, kasi yung meaning na ating proper subset is if A is a proper subset of B if and only if every element of A is also in B. So, tama naman diba yung element ng ating set A is meron din dito sa set B. And there exists at least one element sa B, sa set B natin, na wala sa ating set A. So, that element is 4. So, this one is considered as a proper subset. When we say that A is a subset of B, we write this in a symbol like A is a subset of B. So, kapag may nakita tayong ganitong symbol, so ibig sabihin, subset siya. Or we can say that A is not a subset of B by ganitong symbol, yung kagaya sa subset, kaso nga lang may slash, which means A is not a subset of B. When we talk about proper subsets, we take out the line underneath, and so it becomes A is a proper subset of B. So, kapag proper subset siya, wala siyang line dito sa baba. Or if we want to say the opposite, so A is not a proper subset of B. So, kapag not, lagyan lang natin siya ng slash and then that's it. So, we have another example here. So, if set A contains elements 3, 5, 8 and B which contains 5, 8, 3, 2, 6, then A is a subset of B since elements of A can also be found in elements of B. Then another, we have set of S which contains 3, 5, 8 and T which contains 5, 3, 8. So, kung mapapansin natin, they have same elements and same numbers talaga. Although, hindi lang sila parehas ng order or arrangement. But then, they are also a subset. S is a subset of T, or pwedeng baliktarin, T is a subset of S. In set equality, elements of set A must be also found in the elements of B to be considered as equal set. So, just like yung example natin, kanina. So, eto. So, sabi ko nga, they are subsets. And this one is also an example of set equality. Although, hindi lang parehas yung order nila or arrangement, but then, these are also considered as a subset. Then, meron pa dito tayong example. A has an element of 1, 2, 3, and B is also contains an element of 3, 1, 2. And yes, they are equal kasi they both contain exactly the members of 1, 2, 3. So, exactly the members. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung elements na meron sa set A, meron din sa set B, and then, parehas talaga sila. So, it doesn't matter where each member appears so long as it is there. So, ayun nga, kahit hindi parehas yung arrangement or order nila, but still, it is considered as set equality, which is A is equals to B. So what we have here is an empty or null set. So meron tayo ditong example, a piano and a guitar. So, is a piano and a guitar and has an element na meron yung sa piano tsaka meron yung sa guitar, di ba? Wala. So, this one is considered as an empty or null set. So, kapag may nakita tayong ganitong symbol, tapos may slash, so, ibig sabihin, it is an empty set. A set that contains no elements, also called the null set. So, it is also a set na nakapaloob siya sa bracket pero walang element sa loob or ganitong symbol. So, it is an empty set. I hope you learn a lot and God bless.